Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Ford Kuga here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure wall on this one. So on this one we're going to use the screen in the centre of the steering wheel dashboard. I'm going to use the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So from here I'm going to press the three lines on the right, which is the menu button. And you want to scroll down till you get to settings and then press OK, and scroll down to tyre pressure, then OK. It says hold OK to store. So first make sure your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, then you want to hold OK, and then when the line's disappeared it says tyre pressure stored, and that's it.